Unatazama taarifa za KTN leo, karibu tena. Wazazi wameombwa kuwa karibu na wanao ili waweze kuelewa kwa haraka ikiwa wanapitia msongo wa mawazo. Hayo yalisemwa kike Nairobi Esther Passaris wakati wa uzinduzi wa shirika la kuangazia masuala ya msongo wa mawazo la Beyond the Vision Organization katika eneo la Afya hapa Nairobi.
We found out there was a big need for mental health, and that is definitely my passion. My job is to raise funds to support the awareness here in Tasia and Bakasi. So help is needed. We still need a lot of professionals, psychologists, psychiatrists to help the children in need.
Apart from the creation of awareness, we do a lot of victims advocacy, where we've seen many perpetrators being jailed and being punished for their wrongs the wrongs that they do to children.
Mental health is real, and we need that space where the children can be able to communicate and talk. We want parents to be a bit more vigilant and observe whatever's going through with their children. Talk to your children at home, and hope that Hakim space can be one day a curriculum that's adopted in our schools. When it comes to sanitary towels, when we're trying to distribute sanitary towels, we want community-based schools, faith-based schools to also be included, because that is a big problem. We focus on public schools, and yet we don't have enough public schools.